So finally, YouTube has released a feature that has been asked by a lot of users on iOS, and that is picture in picture. So finally, YouTube has released this feature on the iPhone where you can watch YouTube videos while you're doing something else on the iPhone. So let's check it out. So first off, of course, you're going to want to open the YouTube app, of course, have it downloaded on your iPhone, and then from there, just click play on the video you're watching and then just swipe up and boom. Right there you're watching a YouTube video while also you could be doing something else. So like, let's try going on Twitter. You could be going on Twitter reading some tweets while listening to Casey Neistat's latest interview right now. Or you could be doing something else other than going on Twitter. You could be writing your notes or going to things, looking at some stocks maybe, and seeing what's going on in the stock market right now. So yeah, finally YouTube has finally released this feature that has been asked by a lot of users on iOS. So many of us are very happy today. So how do you activate this feature, picture in picture on iOS? So it's actually very simple. So first off, of course, you need to be a YouTube Premium subscriber to YouTube. So right now it's only available to those users just because it's still in testing phase right now. YouTube has promised to release this feature to everybody else for free as well. So don't worry, you don't have to subscribe to YouTube Premium right now. If you want to wait, you could wait. But if you cannot wait, then you could just go and subscribe right now. And if you haven't subscribed yet to YouTube Premium, there is a one month free trial right now. So you could go. That's what I did. I used my 1 month free trial to try out this product because I've been asking for this so long and I couldn't wait. So I'm testing it right now to see how it works and to see what else you could do with it. So yeah, I'm super excited that YouTube finally released this feature. So how do you get this feature and activate this feature? So after you subscribe to the YouTube Premium, you have to go to youtube.com/new, and then from there you get to scroll down and just activate the YouTube picture in picture feature right from the web. So I'm pretty sure you can also activate it right on your iPhone as well on the web there on Safari. But I recommend just going on the web. It's just so much more easier and easy, and then just click activate and then automatically it updates it and does its magic where you're watching YouTube videos of Casey Neistat and everything, or any other stuff while, like I said, you could be researching stocks or you could be researching tweets of other people that you're currently following right now on Twitter. And so yeah, right now the feature is only available, like I said, to YouTube Premium subscribers first. So if you haven't signed up and used your free trial, you can go and use it right now, and you can also watch YouTube videos without ads popping up. So that's a very big plus. You get now picture in picture as well, and that's pretty much it, I guess. So yeah, if you guys haven't subscribed, go subscribe. Also subscribe to this channel as well because that helps a lot to grow. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.